Was the death on Alaska Last Frontier preventable?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling a tough topic that has caused quite a stir among fans of the reality TV show, Alaska, The Last Frontier. We'll be discussing whether a specific death portrayed on the series was preventable or not. Remember, the show explores the daily lives of the Kilcher family living in the harsh Alaskan wilderness, which inherently involves a certain degree of danger and unpredictability. Let's delve into this complex issue.
Which death are we discussing?
To begin with, it's crucial to specify the event we're talking about. There have been several dangerous situations and close calls in the show's history, but our discussion focuses on a tragic death that took place. It's important to note that any death or accident is a profound loss and should be treated with the utmost respect.
Context and circumstances.
Understanding the context and the circumstances surrounding this death is vital to answer the question of preventability. The event occurred in a remote area of the Alaskan wilderness, far from immediate medical help. The environment in which the show takes place is unpredictable and full of potential hazards. Due to the nature of the show and the lifestyle it portrays, risks are inherent.
Could it have been prevented?
To address whether this death was preventable, we must look at several factors, such as the activity involved at the time of the incident, the safety measures in place, and the response once the accident occurred. While we may wish that any tragic outcome could have been avoided, the reality is often complicated. We should remember that hindsight is 20/20, and what may seem preventable after the fact may not have been apparent in the heat of the moment. In this specific case, given the conditions and circumstances, it is challenging to definitively say whether the death was preventable. What is certain is that the event was tragic and has had a deep impact on the show's cast, crew, and fans. We should also emphasize that safety should always be the top priority in such challenging environments. In conclusion, although it's a natural instinct to look for ways in which tragic events could have been prevented, we must also respect the challenging conditions under which the Kilcher family and the crew operate. Let this incident serve as a reminder of the harsh reality of life in the Alaskan wilderness, and the importance of safety measures in such environments. Prevention is key, but it's also essential to respect the inherent dangers of living so close to nature. We hope this discussion has offered some valuable insights, and we extend our deepest sympathies to all those affected by the tragedy.